2-minute Scratch Jr. recipes.
Today's recipe is hidden buttons.
I have already placed a snow backdrop and a cat and also a secret button somewhere in the scene. If I tap it, the cat will jump. But it's so secret that I cannot even find it. I don't know where it is. Ah, here it is. Do you know how I did this secret? Well, it's easy. I'll share it with you. Now add a new sprite. Just click on the paintbrush and you'll come to the paint editor. You can make your own sprite. I'll take the square and make a white square and fill it with white. Now I can place it anywhere I want because even the backdrop color is same. Then you can click on the yellow button and take the tap block. And on the tap, I want it to send a message in the color of your choice. I'll take maybe red. And let's go to the cat and let's take the when I receive block. Now let's add it to the same red and duplicate it 2 times. Just drag it to the cat and now the block will copy. Now when it receives the message, I want it to bounce and say something. Now let's see how it works. Hi. Yay! You have learned my secret. Oh no, what will I do?